Second midterm question paper, 4th standard social science. Choose the correct answer. Adiyaman gave a gooseberry to Avvayar. Parambanadu was located in Sivagangai district. Cheran is one among the Moovendars. The topmost branches of trees from a chain called canopy. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate. Fill in the blanks. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. Kutralam waterfalls is located in Tenkasi. The landscapes of Tamil Nadu is divided into 4 forms. Kurunji flower blossom in 12 years. Will means bow. Match. Pari. Parambanadu. Valvilvori. Kolli Hills. Suruli waterfalls. Theni. Pichavaram. Mangrove forest. India's first sea bridge. Pamban bridge. Right, true or false? Pari did not care for nature at all. False. We should value the people and animals. True. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest state in India. False. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Answer the following questions. What was Valvilvori famous for? Write about Sangam literature. Who was Avvayar? Name the types of plains in Tamil Nadu. What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? Name the state that share boundary with Tamil Nadu. Name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Answer in detail. Anyone. What did Moovendars do when they could not win battles against Pari? Differentiate evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Draw the following. Peacock. Mark the following on the Tamil Nadu map. Indian Ocean, Arabian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kaveri, Vaigai, Kanyakumari, Chennai.